A well-organized kitchen not only saves time but also creates a clean, stress-free environment where cooking becomes a joy. In 2025, kitchen organization ideas focus on smart storage solutions, multifunctional zones, and minimalist styling to maximize both small and large spaces. Whether you have a compact apartment kitchen or a spacious cooking area, effective organization is the key to making your kitchen look and function at its best. Start by decluttering. Remove items you rarely use and keep only what's essential. Use drawer dividers for utensils, spice racks for jars, and pull-out baskets inside cabinets to utilize deep spaces more efficiently. Vertical storage is a trending solution. Install open shelves or wall-mounted organizers for everyday items like plates, mugs, and cutting boards, magnetic strips for knives, hanging rods for utensils, and stackable containers for pantry items keep your countertops neat and clutter-free. If you love a tidy look, go for uniform containers in glass or plastic with matching lids for a cohesive pantry vibe. Keep cleaning supplies in one designated caddy, and dedicate a drawer or basket for miscellaneous items like batteries or extra dishcloths. Ultimately, a well-organized kitchen reflects your lifestyle and habits. With a few thoughtful changes, you can transform your kitchen into a functional, stylish, and efficient space where everything has its place, making daily routines smoother and more enjoyable.